Mercedes-Benz headlights are commissioned to the vehicle after installation, including coding and adaptations of the data matrix. These need to be completed before the headlight will function as designed. Keep in mind that some base models may not require data matrix coding. In this example, we will show you the process on a 2020 GLC 300-253 chassis with LED headlights. During the adaptations, you will need to enter data from the 2D barcodes located on the new headlight assembly. iSCAN's NX has a built-in QR code scanner to simplify the scanning process. Before beginning, connect a suitable vehicle power supply. Be sure you have a stable internet connection. Always use a wired connection between your NX and the VCI when programming. Be sure the windshield wipers are in the off position before beginning. After auto-identifying the vehicle, enter the coding menu. Tap Coding. Tap System Select. Tap Body System. Tap Left Headlamp SG SWL Headlamp SG SW. Please read and understand safety precautions. Tap Enter to continue. Tap ECU Replacement Programming SCN Coding. Tap Enter to continue. Have you purchased a new ECU? Tap Yes, a new ECU has been purchased. In this instance, the original ECU does not communicate. Select No, the original ECU does not exist. Please confirm new ECU is installed. Tap Enter to continue. Did you also replace the right headlamp? In this instance, we did not. Tap No. In this step, it is recommended to save time by not updating the programming software and to simply perform SCN coding. You can always come back later and program the module if coding only does not result in a successfully commissioned module. Tap Enter, do coding directly. Once complete, you'll receive a message confirming successful SCN coding. Tap Enter to exit. In the next step, we'll adapt the LED matrix. Tap Enter to continue. Tap the ellipsis at the bottom left. Tap QR scanner icon. Using your NX, scan the data matrix code on the headlight. Tap Copy. Tap Exit to exit the camera. Tap Exit again. Tap and hold in the text field. Tap Paste. Tap Enter on the bottom right. Tap Enter to continue. The procedure is complete. Tap Exit. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more helpful tips and procedures for Mercedes-Benz vehicles.